Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany from SHOPFOXBURROW. I am SHOPFOXBURROW on Poshmark, Instagram, Etsy, and here on YouTube. And today I have a Nuuly unboxing video for you. And for this one, usually you get 6 pieces in your Nuuly, but I got 2 extra pieces this time. So I have 8 pieces to unbox and show you guys. So if fashion content is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I do things like Stitch Fix unboxings and then the Nuuly try-ons, and just mix in some fashion content with my normal reseller content as well. So you've probably noticed that I have a change in scene here. Forgive the lighting. I'm using, just regular tungsten lighting. Instead of sitting by my normal window in my office, in my studio. We have some construction going on. We are having a ceiling put up in our basement, and we are getting a new laundry room, and we're having the outside of our house framed for new windows. We ordered new windows this year. So there's just a lot going on in my studio office space downstairs, and so I had to sort of like find a new spot to shoot. So this is what we're gonna do right now. I did not want to wait forever to unbox this Nuuly because I'm excited to wear these pieces. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Ugh. This is my Nuuly this time. It is bigger than any other Nuuly that I have gotten before. You guys may hear random screams or shrieks or running, and that is because my children are playing PBS games on my iPad right now. So, let's see. First things first, I super loved the cardigan that I got last time from Nuuly. It was the Ursa cardigan from Anthropologie. And I've actually been trying to find it like on Posh or eBay in my size, but I don't want to pay $120 for it, but it was so comfortable. I think the Nuuly price was somewhere around 70 bucks, and I didn't even want to pay that. So I ended up deciding to get a different cozy oversized cardigan from Nuuly, and this one is by a brand called Little Lies. It's a size medium large, so like it's like a dual size thing, and it's this nice, it's the lighting in here is so yellowy, but this is like a green color, nice like green, and it's long, and it's got this like cable knitting in the front and big old pockets. So I just really wanted a cozy oversized cardigan in a fall color, and this is what I found. And I don't really like wool or alpaca or animal fibers, just because they kind of make my skin itchy. I have very sensitive skin, so this is full synthetic, I believe. So that was my first one. Next up, I decided to stick with that fall color scheme because we're really going in. The leaves are changing here. It's just right. And I wanted to get some of that mustard yellow. It's got pointelle sleeves here. It's knit piece, and it is a sweater top. So it's a bit like slightly cropped and slightly boxy, but I think that this one is going to be really cute, especially tucked in if I wear it with skirts or something like that. Next, I've been eyeing this piece for a while, and I just really wanted to try it. They also have this in white, which I loved, but I'm always so afraid to wear white because I have 2 small children, and case in point, yesterday we went to get donuts and meet one of my son's old preschool teachers, and I got my kids donuts, and by the end of it I was like literally covered in strawberry donut frosting. So I'm too afraid to wear white. It just doesn't really like fit into my lifestyle. But this black top from Free People, it's a Victorian style top. So obviously it's been like modernized, but it's definitely got that sort of feel to it. It's a gauzy fabric. It's black, lace cuffs, and then it's just got that like kind of higher neckline, and then back buttons, which are a weakness of mine. So I really like this. Not entirely sure how I'm going to style this yet, but I wanted to try it out in the black colorway. Okay. I found out that Nuuly has a few, not many, a few Modcloth pieces. So because I am familiar with Modcloth and I love them, I added a few to my cart, 3 of them to be precise. The first was this kind of like a jean jacket, and again, I'm sorry for the colors. This is actually like a dark like cranberry color, not like a cherry red, and it's got these just solid white buttons on it, and it's got some stretch to it. It's a stretch fabric, but it's just like a jean jacket except stretchy and red. So I thought that that would be a really great layering piece. They had it, I think, in that same mustard color, but I think if I get too much mustard, then the whole like color scheme of my closet won't work together and I won't be able to wear the jacket a lot. So because I don't really have any tops in this color, I thought it would be the best color to go with for a jacket. So that's one. Now this one is, wow, this is way thicker than I thought it was going to be. People were complaining about the quality, but this is like pretty nice. This is a Modcloth sweater, and it's got like that ribbed knit, but it's got these huge like balloon sleeves here with like a tapered cuff, and it's got the mock neck, and I thought that this would be really cute. I have a Halloween skirt that has these little like witch hats and peeking eyes, and it's got kind of like a bit of that sage color in it, so I thought that this would be a good match for that. I also thought that this would be cute under like a pinafore or just like a dress. And so yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with like how thick this is. I thought it was going to be more of like a thinner like poly sort of fabric, but it's pretty nice. Okay, now I picked up this one, and I kind of had mixed feelings about this because I really hate the name of this brand. They have changed it on their website to just say Spell, which I appreciate. I don't know if they're like moving towards eliminating the you know, derogatory part of their name, but anyway, Spell. It's a maxi dress or midi dress, and it's just got this really beautiful like floral Art Nouveau print. It's a cotton gauze, and I thought this one would just be a really pretty, oh my gosh. Guys, this has like mermaids on it. Look down here. Oh, can you see that? Where is it? Here. Can you see this mermaid right here? How gorgeous is that? So it's like this Art Nouveau print. Obviously it has some beachy elements to it. It's got like seashells and stuff that I couldn't see up close. But the colorway is definitely very fall. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this, and hopefully they eliminate that part of the name that I don't like. Next, I have our first ever family portraits this year, and I wanted to try a dress from Nuuly for the portraits. And I know that you don't want a lot of busy colors or like patterns when you're getting your photos taken, because you don't, it's just like everyone needs to match, and so I thought it would just be easier if I went with a solid. So I got this Gal Meets Glam dress, and it is just like this super rich like Merlot burgundy color, It's a midi dress, and it's got these little cap sleeves, and these actually tie on the shoulder. Yeah, so I'm excited to see how that one fits and maybe wear that one for photos. And last but not least, another Modcloth piece. This is a coat, and hopefully I don't need this too much in the next month, but it does get cold here in October, so it is a leopard print coat, and yeah, I'm excited to try this out. It's not super thick, it's only partially lined, so I'm hoping it's not too crazy warm, and I can get some use out of it for the fall. Hopefully my try-ons inspire you to pick out a couple of things from Nuuly. If you want to try the service, I'll have a link in my description box below where you can get $10 off your first Nuuly if you would like to try it out. And that is a referral, so I get $10 off one of my Nuulys too. Yeah, so far I've just really been liking this service. It's a lot of fun to just kind of like get a box of new clothes every month that you sort of like don't have to commit to. It's just, you know, getting to try it on, getting to wear it for a little bit, and if that sort of suits your personality, then I highly recommend it. I've had good customer service from them so far, and the Nuulys get here quick and they ship out quick. They like arrive back quickly, so you can unlock your next one. And yeah, so I've had a good experience with it so far. This is my 4th. Yeah, definitely pleased with the service so far. So let me know down in the comments below which piece was your favorite, which one you might like to try, or if you hated anything or thought it didn't look good on me. Don't be afraid to leave those comments too. I don't mind. And I will see you for my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.